My $60 PC, I almost forgot about it. So if you want to make your own one or flip it, here's what I did. So first off, go on Facebook Marketplace and research your part. For example, I build PCs that are catered to Valorant and all I need is a decent CPU. I then give it a deep clean because dust can cause an increase in heat which slows down the performance of your PC. I then upgrade to a case which has RGB as they usually sell for more, but I had this one lying around so why not. And in terms of an OS drive, I put in an SSD from AliExpress for $11. My goal now is just to patiently wait on Marketplace for a GTX 1050 to complete the upgrade. Right now it can run Valorant fine actually, but just in case the buyer wants to play other games, I thought I'd complete a budget friendly PC build. Anyways, let me know what PC specs you have in the comments. Thanks for watching guys, bye.